Lose belly fat fast in just 1 week with this natural drink. This drink is very simple. Firstly, you need to prepare parsley. Full of the vitamins and minerals your body needs, parsley is particularly effective for burning belly fat. Apigenin is a compound that's found in parsley that encourages the cells to burn fat rather than storing it. Parsley is also a powerful natural diuretic that helps the body eliminate excess water, which helps you look trimmer around the belly. This recipe needs 60 grams of parsley, then chop them. Use either curly or flat leaf parsley. Both varieties should have similar tastes and weight loss benefits. After chopping, pour chopped parsley into a blender. Before continuing the recipe, please tell us your age, your current weight, and the weight you want to lose in the comment section of this video. Relying on this information, we will give you some tips to help you lose weight quicker. Then click the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell to won't miss our next videos. The next ingredient of this recipe is cucumber. Cucumbers are extremely low-calorie and zero-fat foods. They are packed with minerals, dietary fibers, and vitamins which are very effective in losing belly fat. The combination of cucumber and parsley not only makes for a nutrient-packed drink that contributes to losing belly fat, but also great taste and flavor. You will need to prepare 1 cucumber for this recipe. Cut it into small pieces. If your cucumber is organic, you shouldn't peel it because cucumber peel is a good source of dietary fiber that helps reduce belly fat and offers some protection against colon cancers. After cutting, add cucumber into the blender. The last ingredient of this recipe is pineapple. Pineapple has a good content of water in them, thus it helps in hydration. If your body is hydrated enough, then losing belly fat becomes really easy. This fruit also helps curb appetite, delay gastric emptying, and provide satiety. This, in turn, helps you cut down on unnecessary calorie intake and helps lose belly fat. You just need to cut 2 slices of pineapple and add them into the blender. Finally, add 1 cup of water. Blend for a few minutes until everything is smooth and evenly combined. There should be no lumps or clumps. If the drink is looking too thick, add more water to make it as thin as you like. Pour the obtained mixture into a cup and consume immediately to get the maximum benefit. Drink every morning on an empty stomach. After 1 week, you will see the first result.